Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more part-time work-from-home job leads for you. I know a lot of you are looking for part-time jobs. One of these has very flexible hours, and it is not requiring any kind of college degree. I actually have two part-time jobs in this video for you. So, of course, we are going to get to it. Just know that if you enjoy any of these job leads, you can let me know that by giving this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family. And of course, if you're looking for anything specific, you can always leave that down in the comments below. I do read those, and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. But first up, we have Cornell University. They have 3,300 reviews from past and current employees on Glassdoor. An overall employee satisfaction rating is very high at 4.4 out of 5 stars. They are looking for an eCornell casual enrollment representative. So go ahead and warning you, both of these are going to require phone work. I know a lot of you are looking for non-phone jobs, but these are part-time that is going to require phone work. Now, I do want to note this one does have the flexible hours, but your first 3 weeks in this position will be dedicated to onboarding and training. They're going to provide you with all paid training. So you have two options for your training. You're going to have to be available 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or 2 to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for your training. After you get through your training, their regular working hours are anywhere from 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so you're able to set your own schedule with your team lead between that whole day time zone for the hours that work best for you. They do ask that you schedule in shifts of at least 3 hours or longer. So if you only want to work like 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or something like that, you can set those 3-hour shifts once you get through the training, but you do have to be available for their actual training hours. But they're basically looking for somebody to master the basics of their impact sales process using the established relationship and guide potential students. You're going to use systems like Salesforce, Text Us, Calendly, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Just providing that understanding and implementing best practices around leading and lagging indicators for the communication to the potential students. You're going to ensure that all potential student information is accurate and entered into the Salesforce system in a timely manner. So you're going to just develop a comfort level of service in communicating with prospective students in a variety of different ways. So you'll call these students through phone, you'll participate in info sessions, you'll respond to students on Facebook or LinkedIn, or working with students on the online chat platform. So it's not completely all phone, but you're basically going to be taking students who are interested in enrolling and getting them the information they need and trying to get them to go ahead and enroll. Now, they don't require any kind of college degree. They only require a high school diploma and 1 to 3 years of either enrollment, sales, or some kind of related experience. So I'm sure they'll probably take some kind of like customer service experience. You've got to be detail oriented, have strong communication skills and strong computer skills, but they do pay $18 an hour. And again, you can set your own schedule. And next up, we have David's Bridal, the wedding gown shop. They have all kinds of other like bridesmaids and formal gowns. They have 3,200 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.3 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a contact center associate remote part-time. Now, unfortunately, they did not list their actual pay. That's going to need to be discussed at the time of the interview. However, they do say that you can get paid early, and they give you a $400 bonus for every referral hired with no limit. So if you get hired and then no other people you can tell about this and they get hired, you get that bonus. But they are basically looking for somebody to do customer service, responding in a professional manner to written phone inquiries from store associates or customers following their business guidelines. You're going to assist stores with placing orders that don't meet their normal business rules. You'll have to look up inventory availability and assist the e-commerce or website shoppers placing their orders on the David's Bridal website, just offering customers additional products based on needs and assessment. So you're just going to help everyone get those orders in and make sure they're taken care of. Now, they only require 3 years of customer service, sales, or some kind of telephone experience. It says bilingual is a plus. It's not required. They do need somebody who knows how to use those Microsoft Office products like Word, Excel, and have great problem-solving skills, but no college degree is needed. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments again anything you're looking for. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.